it's a vast field of the paddy fields. You can see here lots of trees are grown and the cultivation of the agricultural systems, which is going to be the final product as a rice, which is a staple food we are going to eat all the year. So it's a very popular food in the country of Bangladesh, and you can see the plants of the paddy fields. So we are near at the 201 Gambuz Mosque. It's pretty much nearer, and there's only 1 kilometer left. After 1 kilometer, we're going to reach the destinations. So still going up, going to the forward, and you can see the vast empty fields and the production of the paddy fields here. So the rice is the staple foods, so most of the fields just produces the agricultural products, and this is very popular common product. It's a nice cafe, the village cafe. You can see just like the American flavor. You can see here the sky is pretty much clearer, and you can see there's no clouds, a little bit clouds, but it defines a nice environment. So lots of vehicles, so they are just filled up with the rice, and the ferry here, the private cars are moving, filled up with lots of people. So it can have 5 people, but they are carrying 10 people, so it's like a local service, but it's a private car. So sometimes I remind of the old days like the Murid tin. They are just pretty much filled up like the Murid tin. The Murid tin is the puffed rice which is filled up in a bottle, but there's no spaces are empty. You can see the people are cutting the paddies here. So usually it's a manual process, so there's no automatic system, but in some cases the project when the company produces all the cultivation, in that case they are using the automatic process. But you can see in South Asian countries this is not developed, so that's why it's the manual process. So people are just moving with the bikes. You can see where inside of the village lots of people here. There's a function. Many people, so I don't know what this is, but so many people here gathering, and the village people, there are some prizes, so many people have gathered here. So it's like a celebration of the day after Eid. Still moving, many people are coming, targeting the functions, and in most cases if they win, they are going to win the prizes. That's the main attractions, and of course there's going to be lots of fun there, and that's how people enjoy the evening time after the Eid day. So because of the Eid time, the people has program for all the year round, and people are waiting for this particular day especially to enjoy and celebrate the whole time, and that's why they just used to have lots of foods, lots of drinks, lots of many times, passing the times with the relative. You can see the process of measurement of the paddies through the hands, and in the front you can see the bikes. They are passing through the orders. So the bikes, sometimes it's called the motorcycles. They're just carrying 2 people, sometimes 3 people. Depends on the traffic. So other vehicles, it's called the van. Mostly they are battery driven. So previously it was just chain system and manual pedaling system, but it's the battery driven right now. So we are just almost near at 201 Mosque. So you can see the minarets from a far distance on top of the trees, and it looks like a yellow color. So there's another building under construction. Lots of people gathered here. You can see the bus, trucks, the parking systems for the motorcycles on the sides. Alright, so I'm going to end up this video here. So this is the place for 201 Gopal Mosque. Then we'll go to the destination. So many traffic here, but it's moving, not the fixed. On the fixed, many people come on motorcycles to visit the place. And compound of the mosque. You can see here for an hour distance. That's pretty much congested, and it's a very narrow road. Narrow road. We're just going to park here the autos. Then manually we're going to visit. So let's see. It's going to be the beside of the road.
Opposite side, purvo side.
All right. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.